Hello, this is Francisco presenting for Motion. This tutorial is using Visual State Manager and ToggleButton in Microsoft Expression Blend. The Visual State Manager is one of the best new features of Expression Blend 4. It allows you to define elements, visual states, and record them with the name of your choice, for example, mouse over, button press, check, etc. In this post, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Visual State Manager with a very useful control that's called the ToggleButton. The ToggleButton looks just like a regular button by default, but it has two predefined states that you can use and the toggle between each other when you click on the button. This will be clearer with the demo. Okay, so first you need to open Expression Blend and create a new project. In this case, it's a desktop application, or it can be a Silverlight application. It doesn't make any difference. As I told you, I'm going to be using the WPF application, desktop application. I just called the project Visual Toggle. So let's click OK. You will see the following screen. You can click Ctrl-0 to set the width and height. Okay. Now we need to click on the arrows at the bottom left to find our toggle button. So type in toggle button and you can find the toggle button. Now let's draw the toggle button in our workspace. It looks just like a regular button, but we'll see the differences ahead. Okay, now let's draw a rectangle or any figure that you want below. And I'm gonna paint this blue. Yeah, this is where the fun part begins. Click on the state tabs at your top left. This will be empty, so you can see right now. First, you need to add a state group by clicking on the Add State Group. And we're going to name this group Toggle States. Okay. Once we've named it, we can add our first state and rename it. We're going to rename it Rectangle Blue. Okay. This is our first state, and it's rectangle blue or rectangle blue, so we're okay. We're going to add a new state right now that's called rectangle yellow. So why do we create this rectangle yellow? Because we're going to paint it yellow. So just select a nice yellow color and change it. Now, once we've defined these two visual states, well, you should probably see that when you select any of the visual states, you have this recording state on. This means that you're recording the state. You can stop recording by clicking on the red button, or you can just click on the base state. The next thing we need to do is trigger this states, and how we do this is we click on the Assets tab, click on Behaviors, and we have the Go to State action. Okay. We drag the Go to State action to the toggle button, and you can see that we have an event name. We have different events: loaded, mouse enter, mouse leave. But the interesting thing of the toggle button is that you have the checked and the unchecked state. So we're going to select checked state, and when the toggle button is checked, we want the rectangle yellow state. And we're going to do the same one more time, create another go to state action. And when the button is unchecked, we want it to go to the rectangle blue state. Now we can run the project by clicking F5. Okay, so now you can see how the button toggles from one color to another. Hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. It's my first one. I'll be creating as many as I can. And this is Francisco Alvarez presenting from Ocean.